What's up, people? Prime Numbers here, and today we're talking about if statements and nested if statements. These are actually really helpful. The if statement is probably the most useful logical function in Excel or Google Docs. So let's jump right in it. So here we have a list of students. We have their gender and their grade on a test. So in this first scenario, we're talking about a situation where 65% is the passing score for males and females. So we want to see which individuals pass, so we use a regular if function. So if the grade is greater than 65%, then we'll write pass, and we have to use quotes, and otherwise they will fail. And we can automatically populate this by either double-clicking the bottom right there, or we could copy and paste the formula. So we see that there's 2 fails and 3 passes. Okay. Now we're in we have a different situation where the passing score is different for males and females. So there's a 60% passing score for males and a 65% passing score for females. I have no idea why I came up with this example, and maybe it's not politically correct, but I don't care. So anyways, we will use an embedded if statement in order to solve this one. So if this value is equal to male, then, so in this first statement we're saying if this value is equal to male, then we're going to have a separate if function. So if it's equal to male, then this has to be above 60 in order for them to get a pass. Otherwise, they get a fail. And if this value is not equal to male, so if this value is equal to female, we need a different if statement because they have a different passing criteria. So we have if this value, and it doesn't let you click there, so you have to type in C2. It's greater than 65. And we have pass. Okay, so let me just summarize this formula once again. So basically what we're saying is if column B is equal to male, so if that's true, then we use this argument. And this argument is saying that if the score is above 60%, then they pass. If they don't pass, then they fail. And then this argument only comes into play when this criteria is not satisfied. The only time this criteria is not going to be satisfied is when the gender is female. So when the gender is female, we're entering into this argument, and we're saying that the grade has to be above 65 in order to get the passing score. And you'll notice that in order to match up this parentheses, we need to add an extra parentheses at the end, and that should work. So we'll see that the only change here is that Bob, since he's a male and he scored a 62, he's now achieved the passing score. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys at the next video.